Is the background conversion like this cool? My name is Abby. This is Freeworld. Today I will show you how to switch between multiple cameras, multiple backgrounds using your Light Pro L1 V1, OBS, and your green screen. Number 1. Green screen setup. Hang your green screen behind your presenter. Set up your lines. Be sure to line the screen as evenly as possible. This will help OBS has an easy time keying and putting the green out, so you look nice and crisp. And position your camera. In this video tutorial, we use L1 to connect two cameras as video sources. Number 2. OBS setup. After setting up everything as you would for stream, then connect all the cables, plug everything in, and select your camera or capture device as the source in OBS. Here we choose Freeworld USB 3.0. Right-click on the video source and select Filter. Click plus under the Effect Filter section. Then select Chroma Key. Enter a name for the effect layer. When adding a chroma key, OBS will automatically generate some baseline settings. Once you're happy with the chroma key settings, you should then do a quick run-through of your shoot. After you've confirmed the chroma key settings are correct, you can now add your background layer and make sure they are below the chroma key camera layer in OBS. OBS accepts MP4, JPEG, PNG, and many other file types to be used as background sources. If needed, reposition your presenter in your scene. Next, you can add another background layer and confirm that is what you want in the live streaming. Now that you have your scene set up. Number 3. How to switch the background and camera angles at the same time. First, set the L1 switching mode to fast switching. Here we set the switching time to 2 seconds. Then the scene transition in OBS is set to Duma Wipe, and the duration is set to 2000 milliseconds. To be consistent with the switching time of the switcher, click the small eye icon to switch the background, then press the L1 source button and the transition effect button on the OBS at the same time. In this way, the effect of switching camera angles and the background can be obtained at the same time. Finally, I want to say the advantage of this mesh is that the 4 HDMI of the L1 can all be used to connect to camera. That is, there can be 4 camera angles. The second is that the background materials includes pictures and videos saved on the computer, which is easy to use and can add a lot of the background materials you want. I'm Abby. Don't forget to click to subscribe to follow us, and welcome to leave a message in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.